Hello viewers, welcome to the introductory video of the new SWAYAM course on Indian judicial system, legal aid and environmental protection. This course shall be of 10 weeks duration and it has been designed to benefit the students and faculty of law and those of the other social sciences like the political science, economics, sociology and public administration, the environmental activists, the legal aid activists, the legal professionals, the professionals of alternative dispute resolution like the arbitrators, mediators and conciliators, the industrialists and the non-governmental organizations. This particular course has a unique combination of historical perspectives of the Indian judicial system leading to the study of the modern judicial system, and it touches upon three important issues. One, the issue of the legal aid under the Constitution and other laws of India. Then the issue of the alternative dispute resolution including online dispute resolution, and the third one is pertaining to environmental protection. Out of the 30 lessons which are going to be telecast, 17 lessons will be on various aspects of environmental protection and the remaining 13 will be tracing the evolution of the present judicial system prevailing in India and certain important aspects like the constitutional law, the ombudsman system, then the ADR system, the legal aid movement, so on and so forth. So, this course takes care of not only the rights but also the remedies. And as we know, nowadays it is always desirable to unlearn many things compared to those things which have to be learnt. We propose to give an opportunity to all the registered students to once again have a look at the roots of the present system, then how it works today, what exactly is the enforcement mechanism in the form of the higher judiciary including the Supreme Court and the High Courts, the subordinate judiciary including the civil courts, criminal courts and special courts, then also the quasi-judicial system involving the tribunals. Apart from this, we shall also discuss the emerging areas of alternative dispute resolution including the online dispute resolution. Then the focus will be shifted to environmental protection right from the macro introduction to the micro explanation, from the international perspectives to the national perspectives in the light of the various international conventions, the national legislation, the decisions given by the courts like the Supreme Court, High Court and more particularly the tribunals like the National Green Tribunal. We shall try to understand the present contours of the environmental jurisprudence. With these objectives, we have created a unique combination of one general area interwoven with three specific areas, and we are confident that this particular course, once successfully pursued, will be of immense help and benefit to the registered students in their professional, academic and also personal life. It will also make all of us more responsible. I request you to enroll yourself in good numbers and to be part of this learning process to enrich yourselves and also to help the society, the chosen field and the citizens at large. I once again extend a warm welcome to all the students and others to be part of this exercise and to make it a grand success. Thank you very much.